If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, don't just watch this video, speak with me. If you're looking for a powerful way to improve your English speaking and listening skills, this shadowing practice is exactly what you need. Welcome back to English Fluency Teacher. In this video, we're going to practice real-life English situations together. You will hear natural sentences that you can use in your daily life, and you will repeat them out loud with me. This is not just a lesson. This is a full speaking workout. Shadowing is a simple but very powerful method. You listen carefully, and then you repeat exactly what you hear. Try to copy my pronunciation, my rhythm, and my intonation. When you practice like this, you are training your mouth, your ears, and your brain at the same time. This is how you start thinking and speaking in English naturally. Here's how to use this video. Listen to each sentence carefully, then repeat it out loud. Don't worry about mistakes, just focus on speaking. I will say each sentence more than once so you can practice at different speeds. Sometimes I will guide you to speak faster, so stay focused and follow along. If you complete this whole practice, you will feel more confident, more comfortable, and more natural when you speak English. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale. Exhale. Get ready to speak. Let's begin our real-life English shadowing practice with English Fluency Teacher. Listen closely, then repeat exactly what I say after me. I would like a medium latte, please. I would like a medium latte, please. I would like a medium latte, please. Can I get it with less sugar? Can I get it with less sugar? Can I get it with less sugar? Do you have any dairy-free milk? Do you have any dairy-free milk? Do you have any dairy-free milk? I'll take it to go. I'll take it to go. Make it to go, please. Can you make it extra hot? Can you make it extra hot? Make it a bit hotter, please. What sizes do you have? What sizes do you have? What size options do you have? I'll also have a small cappuccino. I'll also have a small cappuccino. Add a small cappuccino, please. That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. That's everything, thanks. Now repeat faster. I'd like a medium latte, please. Can I get it with less sugar? Make it to go, please. Excuse me, how much is this? Excuse me, how much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have another size? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Can I try it on? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Where can I try this? I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks. Just looking, thank you. Do you have this in another colour? Do you have this in another colour? Do you have a different colour? Is there a discount on this? Is there a discount on this? Is this on sale? I will take this one. I will take this one. I will buy this one. Can you take me to this address? Can you take me to this address? Take me to this address, please. How long will it take? How long will it take? How long is it going to take? How much will it cost? How much will it cost? How much is the fare? Can you take the faster route? Can you take the faster route? Can you go the quickest way? Great job! If you repeated the sentences out loud, you didn't just watch this video, you actually trained your English. That is the difference. Every time you do this kind of shadowing practice, you are building real speaking confidence. You are training your pronunciation, your listening, and your fluency, step by step. It's completely normal to feel a little tired after this. That means you used your English actively. The more you practice like this, the more natural your English will become. Try to come back to this video again tomorrow, or anytime you want to improve your speaking. Repetition is the key to fluency. And if you really want to improve faster, make shadowing a daily habit. If you finished this practice, write in the comments, "I am improving my English every day." I would love to see your progress and support your journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Fluency Teacher, and share this practice with someone who also wants to speak English confidently. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep going, keep improving, and keep speaking.